Hey guys, I'm back. My bike, a lot of stuff improved. We got the blue tires, Merit, slide wall is pretty cool. Let's go to the back here. Another blue Merit tire. You usually want to get two because your bike has two wheels. Excuse me. Bars, same thing as before, they're just Colt bars. ODI grips like before. Check out the stem. Now the stem really hasn't improved at all, just it's really nice. Colt stem. Cool Dance Cop sticker came when I got my bike. Thinks it looks cool there, you know. Stolen Thermalite peg. Really used it up, you know what I mean? Same thing over here too. But now there's a difference. This right here, this peg, what's the name of this thing? G-Sport. Primo, right? Primo? Is it Primo G-Sport? Or is it just G-Sport? I think Primo and G-Sport are two different companies. That's another G-Sport. Colt hub, you know, came with a bike. I'd say roughly this bike cost me around $1,500. We got this seat right here. Probably my favorite thing on the bike. Marilyn Monroe, or I think. You got to get the if you want to get this seat, you got to get this. What's this called? Seat post. You got to get this seat post. Purple pedals. Oh. Big improvement since last time, guys. Animal akimbo cranks. Come in at $1.79. Really do the job. 3-piece, great. Really great. We got a front hub thing. Front Colt hub. Like before. Check out the oil slick, what's this called? Hubcap? Something like that. Fork, real nice fork. We come back with the chain here. The chain is the same as last time. You really want to get this chain because what was the last time we filled? Like 2 years ago? 2 years ago, and this chain is still rocking. And we take a look at the beautiful sprocket, Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, Serpent, all up in that. Really great. Last but not least, Colt AK frame. Beautiful. Got it in indigo. My favorite color. That's about it. Now I'm going to show you how much I've improved over the last 2 years. Thank you.